Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Phyllis. As usual, it's a cooking video. Yeah, so what we are cooking today, uh, we want to cook French beans with chicken. French. I have this is our onions and tomato paste. So let's put our chicken. Today I want us to cook French beans. Kama hujai kula French beans, it is very nice. Just go buy and just have a taste. You will like it. That is what we are going to have today for dinner. Because lunch we didn't eat rice, so dinner I'm cooking rice. Nowadays I don't cook rice for lunch because not all the kids go to school. So that is our chicken. So I'm going to put some spices like turmeric, cumin, paprika, and and salt. Let me start with salt. Just a little, because I'm going to add maggi. This one, I'm going to add this one. So I'm just putting little salt. Ndo chakula yetu isikuwe na chumvi mingi. This is our turmeric powder. I like these spices. It makes the food look colorful. We have paprika. Let me reduce the heat. We have paprika here. Lastly, we have cumin powder. I'm also going to add to our chicken. So after here, we will leave our chicken to cook for some time as I start preparing our French beans. I want to prepare them. I have to clean them. Then I will add on our chicken. So guys, stay tuned, watch till the end to see the final results. I'm hoping that you are going to love this video, because the outcome is going to look very, very nice. Okay, stay tuned. So guys, this is our chicken. I have just added this black lemon, dry lemon. Hey, bit to cook as I prepare our French beans. So we are going to have this with our white rice that I'm going to cook also. So just stay tuned and watch till the end to see the final results, and I will appreciate. So this is our rice. I've washed it and I'm going to soak it for some few minutes. Then I will cook it in a few minutes. So the advantage of soaking your rice is because when you want to cook, it won't take long. Itaiva haraka, alafu kama umesoak, it doesn't need a lot of water while cooking. So this is our rice. So I'm going to start cleaning our French beans. So guys, these are our French beans. I'm going to cut them into small pieces, you can see. So we eat these ones. I'm going to cook them. I'm going to mix with potatoes, Irish potatoes, so that I add in our chicken. So just stay tuned, watch till the end to see the final results. Okay. thank you so much for the, now I'm at 30 subscribe, 32, from 28 to 32. Guys, thank you so much. So guys, this is our French beans. I hope you are seeing they are cooking with our chicken. I hope the results here will be awesome. I'm just expecting you to rate my cooking so that I can see where I can improve. And this is our rice water. It is almost starting to boil, so I'm just going to add a little oil, cooking oil and salt as simple as that. Then after they boil, when it start boiling, we will add our rice because we had already soaked it. Yeah, and about the chicken with the French beans, I'm going to blend. We have peeled tomatoes. It is in a tin, sealed. So I'm going to blend it. Then I mix it with it, just to make the soup to be somehow thick. To mkiangalia nyepesi. So for me, I like thick. Yeah, that is it, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please. Thank you so much for the 32 subscribers, guys. Hey, I'm so happy. Now I'm seeing my channel is growing slowly by slowly. We go slowly by slowly. Now I'm seeing my channel is growing. Thank you so much, guys. For those who have just reached out on me, I say thank you and may God bless you. I'm so grateful. I can't take it for granted. And for the new ones, please just come and subscribe, watch the videos. I do wonderful videos. For those who are interested, you can watch every video. Yeah, so guys, let us continue. Let me just blend the tomatoes, then we shall continue from there. So guys, this is our tomatoes. So you can read it is written Italian peeled tomatoes. So they are peeled. So I'm just going to open it. Then I blend. Today I don't have a stand to hold my phone. So I'm using one hand to hold my phone, another hand coffee. We normally add in our coffee, but it is also added to our rice. Even you can also add to your tea. So it has different uses. This is our paper. this one has got water down. It's not yet. I will leave it to cook like 1 minute. Ready. So let's go and start preparing. I've already prepared the eggs that we are going to use. This is what they are going to use, the serving spoons and the tablespoons. Yeah, so here let's start. This is for our driver. I will serve him. So this one I'm going to put here chili. I'm a pilipili. And this is for them, for pilipili, and our pilipili is here. I made the other day, the previous day. So me, I normally make it a lot so that I can store it in fridge, so that I cannot be preparing it every day. Yeah, but it cannot go bad. For the driver, I just put him here. For me, I don't like pilipili. I don't like pilipili, but for the Arabs, they cannot eat without having this chili. So I'm just waiting for the rice to be ready so that I can serve for the driver. Then I serve for them. I take for them to start eating. Okay guys, just stay tuned till the end. So guys, our rice, I hope is ready. It has no water down, but I'm just going to reduce the heat so that it can cook slowly, because it is already ready. So I'm going just to reduce the heat to leave it continue cooking. And our soup is also ready. Our soup is ready, you can see guys. Simukuje tukule. Hello guys, so this is our final results of our stew. The French beans with chicken. This is our final results. It looks nice guys, you see. And this is our rice, our white rice. You can see guys. Well guys, karibuni tukule, karibuni wageni. Mimi si mchoyo. You have to come and we eat here. So hii ni ya dereva wetu, nimemwekea. Hiyo ni soup, hiyo ni pilipili, and that one is rice. You see guys, you see. Yeah, so hii ni ya dereva na hii ni yao ya na Waititu na Waikuru na familia yote. Hiyo ndio mchele. So thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment so that I see what I can see what you think about the video. Keep on subscribing guys. By subscribing, you are motivating me to do more videos on cooking. Yeah, anyway guys, thank you so much, and may you have a very blessed night. Let's meet